This 2026 Airstream Basecamp Xe is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Duncansville, Pennsylvania, 16635 and is offered for sale by Airstream of Central PA. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Airstream is 20 feet 2 inches in length and features a Granite Ridge with Otter Wood interior, sleeps 4, water heater, and 23 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features Front Dinette.The. The unloaded weight of this 2026 Airstream Basecamp Xe is 4,089 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.